Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing all the cookwares and kitchen appliances that I got from China, and they are very affordable. Like, I was able to save 150,000 naira instead of paying, I think, over 300k. Yes. So I bought everything here. I think I spent over 150,000 naira on everything here. But if I had gotten it in Nigeria, I would have spent over 400k. If I'm not mistaken. I spent over 300k, sorry, over 300k. So let's unbox and do the cost breakdown together. I'll tell you guys the price I got each, both in Chinese currency and in Naira. I can't wait to see what's inside. Ooh. First of all, I actually got this mic. I have one of it here that I use, but it's now very expensive, so I got extra just in case. I got this one for I think 3,000 naira. We are converted to naira. I'll be putting the price and the picture of everything from their website. I'll be putting it on the screen for you guys to see. This is K8 wireless microphone. I know some of you are going to question me, like, what about the shipping fee? What about the local shipping fee and delivery fee to my house? Trust me, it is not that expensive because I did not use air shipping. I did sea shipping, so it was actually very cheap. Ooh, I can feel it already. It's so heavy. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it already. Oh my god, just look at this beauty. Just look at. I checked like two Instagram page of Nigerian vendor that sells cookware, and the cheapest I got was I think 90k or 100,000 naira or something. And from China, I got this for just I think that's something thousand naira. I actually got it for 110 Chinese currency, and that time the rate was about 225 naira. I think 110 yuan. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Multiply by 225. That's 24,750. I actually got this pot from China for 24,750. And the cheapest I saw it here was 90,000 naira. That was the cheapest I saw online. All the shipping fee for everything was calculated together. In total, I paid 50 something thousand naira for everything you are seeing here. So by the time I divide everything, let's okay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's divide 60,000 naira by 5. So let's just say I spent like 12 to 15k on delivery on each. So if I got this for 24,750 from China plus 15,000 naira shipping fee, that is still not up to 50,000 naira. And that makes a lot of sense. I waited for just 6 weeks and my package arrived in Nigeria. It was not even up to 2 months. Even me, I was surprised. I was thinking it was going to be over 2 months. Just look at that. So beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to cook. What should I launch this pot with? I think I'm going to launch the pot with fried rice, something like that. So this is the next one. I'm sure this one is blender. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. Honestly speaking, this my what's it called, shipping agents. They are so good. Like the packaging, the way they package everything, so perfect. Like you can't even see any single damage on it. Oh my god. Sorry for the laugh.
Sorry for the laugh.
If you have been following up my cooking videos, you will know that I have been suffering with blender. The blender I'm presently using is not an heavy duty blender, so there are limits to the kind of things the blender can blend. Anytime I want to blend coconuts, like I have to cut the coconut into tiny pieces before I can blend it perfectly. Tiger nut video that I made, oh my god, that night I recorded that video in the night and I stressed the hell out of myself because I was literally breaking the tiger nut into pieces and I was adding it into the blender little by little, little by little. And I did like plenty. I was just stressed out. I was just blaming myself that why did I do this? Why? Why am I doing this to myself? And that day I said I have to get an heavy duty blender that can actually like blend anything blendable. So let me show you guys. I feel like I'm talking too much. Ooh. Oh, I think this is the meal blender. This one is for the dry ingredients. Ah, it's so big. This is 3 liters. Wow. What I saw on the website is that this cup cannot break. Like even if you throw it on the floor, it can't break. But I'm not about to do that. I'm not doing that. And it has how many blades? It has 4 big blades and no, it has one. Ooh, it has up to 8 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. This thing is going to crush anything crushable. I can't wait. The first thing I'm going to be blending on in this blender is tiger nuts. It also comes with food processor. It's a 6-in-1 blender. It has food processor, meal, and this one can blend anything: fruits, coconuts, ice cubes. It can crush anything. Because I saw the video on the website and I was like, okay, I'm satisfied. I even asked their agents, like, are you sure this thing can crush anything? And they said, yes, it can. Oh my god, look at that. I don't want to scream. I'm actually recording this video in the night. I'm trying as much as possible not to scream. But you guys won't understand. Like, I feel like these things I'm unboxing might look like a normal or basic thing, but I'm so excited for getting them because I need it so bad. Okay. This is the food processor. I have a juicer and that juicer comes with a food processor. I actually thought this one was going to be bigger than that, but no, I think they're about the same size. But I'm sure this one is going to do a better job than that one because that one too has showed me shaggy. And this food processor can crush anything, it can slice anything, it can cut anything cuttable. Onions, carrots, vegetables, just name it. Just name it. And it can also knead. It can knead for your pastries. And it can also like blend. Like this thing is just, I think is my favorite thing among the things I got. It's my favorite. So let's do the cost breakdown. So I got this one for 104 yuan, Chinese currency. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. So multiplied by 225 because the rate when I ordered it was 225 naira to 1 yuan. So I don't know if it is now more than that or less than that. But when I ordered it, the rate was 225. 23,400 naira for this. And guess how much I saw it online? The cheapest I saw it on Instagram was 110,000 naira. That was the cheapest. I remember I entered one lady's DM, a vendor that sells it, and I was literally begging her that can she sell it for me for at least 100k. She said no, that is 110k last. And I got it from China for just 23,400. So if I had shipping fee, let's say shipping fee is 15k, like we divided the other time, that means I spent just 38,400. Okay, plus delivery fee to my house and plus local delivery fee. That's not like, because they delivered everything together. So let me just say plus 5k. I still did not spend up to 50k. You guys, China, in fact, you people should be ready for me because the way I'll be bombarding you people with orders. Because Nigerian vendors, they want to kiss somebody. This is so beautiful and I'm so happy I ordered it. I'm so excited. So I actually unboxed this earlier. This was the only one I unboxed because I ordered a package that was not mine. So I had to like remove the person's own and give it to the person. So that is why half part of it is looking empty. The other part, they didn't assemble this one. It's actually from different suppliers. So I guess that's why it's not assembled. Ooh, just look at that. I picked the same color with the other pots because I wanted them to twin. Oh my god, it's so nice. I got this one for 45 yuan. 45 yuan times 225. That's 10,000 naira. This has to be a joke. Hey! I got this pot from China for just 10,000 naira. 10k. This pot in Nigeria is nothing less than 45k. Okay, let me add the shipping fee. Shipping fee for both with this one is like 15k. Let me just say shipping fee is like, let me split it into two. Let me say shipping fee is like 7,500 plus delivery fee to my house. Let's say five, no, 5,000 naira. Let's say 5,000 naira. So altogether, I spent just 22,625 naira on this pot, and it is actually 20 or 22 centimeter, I think. It's not very big, but for this size of pots from Nigerian vendors is nothing less than 45-50k. I'm telling you. So I was able to save minus 45k. I was able to save 22,000 naira from this one. Say that's massive, baby. Wow. This one is actually a waffle maker, and this one is very cheap. If I tell you the price I got this one, you all won't believe. I got this one for less than 5,000 naira. Wow. The price of this one is 21 yuan. So 21.5 yuan times 225. That's 4,837 naira. I told you guys I got it for less than 5,000 naira. So plus shipping fee and because this one is small. Yeah, now that I remember, that box came with other things. So it's literally like half of it. So I'm definitely not spending like the actual 15k shipping fee or even the 7.5 that added to this. It's literally cheaper than that. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So let's just say shipping fee and delivery for this one is like 5k, 5,000 naira. That means I spent less than 10k for this one, and the price I saw this online was 15,000 naira. The cheapest I saw it online was 15,000 naira. So that is still not bad. That still makes sense. And my calculation is not even accurate. My calculation is even way more than the actual money I paid. But yeah, I'm just like giving you guys an estimate. You get. So this is the next. I have C. I got this popcorn paper, and I got cups. Yeah, this cup is so cheap from China, like so cheap, and it comes with straw. Comes with straws. This is wallpaper. I got this one for 14 yuan, and this one is actually sold for 10 to 15k in Nigeria. So 14 yuan times 225. That's just 3,000 naira from China. Let's say plus delivery and shipping 5,000 naira. That's like 8k. That's not bad. 3.15 and this one for 2.16. That's I got these two cups for 1,194 naira. These two cups, one of these cups, this small one, he sold for 7k upward. The cheapest you get it is 5k, and that 5k save is last year price. Don't sell it for 5k anymore. This one is from 10k, 8k, 9k upward. That's actually a lot. Like, so let's say delivery and shipping is like 5,000 naira. So both, I spent like 6,000 naira on both. And this popcorn, these ones did not really take too much space. So honestly, I won't be adding any shipping fee. I got this one for 0.37 yuan each. So 10 is, that's just 800 naira. I just wanted to be using it for to sieve tiger nuts. This is the last package I ordered. This is a kitchen rack, a storage rack. This one is 4 steps. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm going to assemble it, and I'll record it for you guys to see what it looks like after assembling it together. So let's do the cost breakdown of this one. This storage rack cost me 68 yuan multiplied by 225. That is just 15,000 naira. You guys, this rack is nothing less than 60k in Nigeria. 4 steps for just 15,000 naira from China. Plus shipping fee is 15,000 naira. Let's say look at delivery fee and everything 5k. That is 35,300. So I literally spent 35,300 on this kitchen rack. I saw that 60k price sometimes last year, which means it's probably more than that price now. So I'm able to save more than 30k on this kitchen rack. Once I'm done assembling this storage rack, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it actually doesn't take time to assemble. I'm literally just going to stretch it out like this. Ooh, that is so easy. Oh, okay. Oh wow, that's so easy. I thought I was going to need like some screwdriver and all of that. So it comes with tire. It comes with this. I can just use to easily screw it, and I've been literally using my hand since. Can you imagine? So I'm just going to use this one to screw the remaining two tires.